Want to leave your audience energized and motivated? Give them a challenge in your conclusion. A well-placed challenge will inspire action and give your speech lasting power. Make the challenge relevant to your speech. If you've spoken about personal growth, say something like, I challenge you to take one step today towards becoming the person you aspire to be. Next, keep the challenge specific and actionable. Instead of a vague, do your best, offer a clear action, like I challenge you to set a goal this week and take the first steps towards it. Lastly, make it empowering. Your challenge should make the audience feel capable and motivated to act. Say, I believe you have the power to make this change starting today. If you deliver your challenge with confidence and passion, your energy will spark their commitment to follow through. I challenge you to end your speech with a challenge, and your audience will leave not just inspired, but ready to take action. Challenge them to make a change and watch them rise to it.